Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to show you how user access can be enabled for IOSL. Since IOSL is an all-in-one hotel management system, it has multiple products such as channel manager and automated dynamic pricing system. There is a property management system. There are a lot of analytics and reports. We can also have chain level management, reviews and reputation management, OTA management, competition hotels rate shopper, and finally the booking engine and website. Now, hotels who opt for IOSL all-in-one product can have user access all these products, or they can have certain users access only limited number of products. And this access can be enabled in admin of IOSL, where user can be configured. So we can have multiple users created for a single property. And there are two predefined roles. One is of a customer. In this case, the user will only have access to IOSL Live, which is the front end of IOSL all-in-one management system. And the second role is that of a revenue manager, wherein if a user is created under a revenue management role, this user will not only have access to IOSL Live, they will also have access to IOSL admin, which is the backend of IOSL, so that they have access to the dynamic pricing algorithm and many other such features. Now, creating a user is really as simple as just typing in a username and creating a password. In case this user belongs to a particular chain property, we can just tag it to that particular chain, and then this user will have access to all the hotels in this chain. In case it is not of any chain, we can just enable it, and we will see that this user has been created for this particular hotel. Now, even for this user, even though you see that this user is a revenue manager role and they have access to both IOSL admin as well as IOSL live, we can still pick and choose which of the features can be enabled within a specific product. And suppose we do not want this user to have access to reviews management, for example, we can just untick that, and then this user will not be able to see this product at all. In case the user needs to be disabled, it's really as simple as just deleting this particular username, and then this user will not be able to access any of the products of IOSL all-in-one hotel management system. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you and have a nice day.